Hey, what's up everybody? I want to show you something kind of funny. So,
My God.
we're doing the wagon. We just got finished with the doing around the window seals. Look good. Thank you, POR15. Don't worry about all the dust. I'll show you in a second why there's a lot of dust. But just got finished doing that. Looks real good. When we go to put the window in, all the guys I was talking to said I'd have to sand it with about 320 sandpaper, just so I can put the adhesive sealant, or what the hell is it called?
Urethane.
Urethane. Window urethane. To put the window urethane on it. So we'll get that all taken care of. We'll get that all set. And some tweaker driving by. I don't know what the hell he was looking at.
Brakes. Yeah, motherfucker.
Oh, is that?
Brakes are fine.
Anyways, so yeah. So we got a little bit of rust on this side. Whatever, I plan on cutting it off anyways, because on the wagons they've got that weird kind of, that's where they keep the spare tire at, is inside that little hole area, and I'm not going to put a spare tire in there. Might put airbags, might put like the compressor, might put the battery in the back, we'll see. So this side, it's going to need a little bit of work. They had a little bit of Bondo on it, but it wasn't too bad. But let me show you the glory of this side. Yeah, you see all this? Yeah, look at that fine chunk of Bondo right there. Let me show you what.
Oh, and they cut out a panel.
These dipshits, maybe not the previous owner, maybe not the previous owner.
Those aren't tacks, those are fucking rivets.
Yeah, they riveted it in.
They use self-tappers.
Yeah, but some dumb shit, I'm assuming it was hit in the back. Obviously.
And it's Bondo from here to here.
Yeah, it's Bondo all the way up. But yeah, we decided to take, well, first I went at it for a while with this with the old sanding flap pad, because it just kept going. Like the Bondo kept going.
You started laughing at it.
And I knew that I was going to have to do something down here at the bottom, because on the other side obviously it was rough. But I figured, okay, I'll take a sanding wheel to it for a little bit, see where it goes, and then kind of go from there. And yeah, it kept going. The reason why it kept going, look at this shit.
Watch it, dude.
Yeah.
Fucking kidding me. That's why this car is like, you can't dent this if you wanted to.
No, there's no way. There's absolutely no way. I'm just kind of curious though, because the only thing I can do at this point to get this all fixed,
cut it off,
is get an El Camino rear quarter panel.
Yeah, we have to trim it for the gas door.
Yeah.
But it's all
But even the gas door, around the gas doors, it's all dented up. Yeah, see, look at this. This magnet here is supposed to stick. So we were going along with it, and it's just like, it just fell off. But that is why, because, yeah, like I said, I'm not going to say it was the previous owner, or the previous owner. But let's just say somebody knew what they were doing. Somebody did this on purpose. And instead of actually fixing it the correct way, they bought, I don't know, probably thin-ass gauge sheet metal.
This is more Bondo. Like literally, they could have bought another quarter panel for as much Bondo as they put on here.
Oh, easily a gallon of Bondo. Easily.
Yeah, in this section.
Yeah.
You got both sides.
Like, look at this.
There has to be like 4 gallons of Bondo in this quarter panel. It's so thick. That's what she said.
I'm not going to say the guy that sold me this car knew about it.
Oh,
he
yeah.
knew there was some rust.
He's a dillwad.
Unless he knew it was all of this rust. But like, seriously, come on.
That's one of them Okies, bro. Oh, we just put some that there some bitch on this some bitch and oh dang.
I know how to fix it. A gallon of Bondo. Yeah, that'll
Please give me that big old Bondo.
Because you can't really see anything inside.
Oh my god. Well, no, because they didn't fix anything inside. They just filled it.
Yeah. So yeah, needless to say, guys, I will have a few more videos to say the least. Cause damn.
Why? Just why? Look at that. Who takes the time to flatten all this out?
Because it looked good. Like I said, the only thing...
Surprisingly, it didn't crack.
No, the only thing that made it look rough is they did a... If you're going to put all that time to do a Bondo, at least do a decent job as far as sanding it. Because it looks like they sanded it probably with 320 or maybe 240, let's say.
Just keep going and going.
Yeah, and didn't even like smooth it out. Yeah, I'm just curious where like the magic spot is where it stops.
It doesn't.
I
Here?
know. Yes. God damn. Oh my god. And every time I do these little videos, you guys probably think I don't do shit. It's always him.
Just hit me in the fucking ear.
Doing it.
Hell hard.
Did it really?
Ah! Just got blasted in the side of the head.
You just got money shotted by the wagon.
Money shot.
Alright, well, it's too depressing. I'm not going to keep videotaping this. You guys all get the drift. But yeah, stay tuned for a patch repair video. Yay! I mean, not even a patch. That's a full fucking quarter. Ain't no patches about that.
Be surprised. Maybe it'll straighten it.
Oh.
Maybe. Maybe not.
Yeah. Alright, well. Yeah. Alright. We'll talk to you guys later.